Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Kids Education. Today we are going to learn about food. Why we eat foods? We eat food every day. We need food to live and grow. Food makes us strong. Food helps us to be healthy. It gives energy to run, play and work. Foods from plants. Fruits. Fruits and their juices are naturally sweet. Different types of fruit contain different nutrients. So it is important to eat a variety of fruits. They keep us healthy and strong. Fruits include cherry, watermelon, muskmelon, pomegranate, grapes, banana, mango, etc. Vegetables. Vegetables are good source of many nutrients. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, tomatoes and garlic are considered to be very nutritious. Other vegetables include drumstick, potato, tomato, radish, turnip, cauliflower, capsicum, onion, spinach, etc. Cereals. Cereals are grains used for food. Cereals include wheat, oats, bajra, maize and rice, etc. Cereals are very important part of human diets in which nutrients. Flour of the wheat is used to prepare bread, roti. Flour rice is used to make idli. Cereals grains are energy-rich foods for humans. Pulses. Pulses are edible seeds. The main pulses include chickpeas, kidney beans, red gram, black gram, urad, red lentil, green gram, all these things. Pulses are used as a food such as dal, sambar, curry, etc. Now we are going to see nuts. Nuts are very nutritious and give lot of energy. They are considered healthy snacks. Nuts include pista, walnuts, raisins, peanuts, almond, cashew nuts, etc. Oil seeds. Oils plays an important part in the healthy and balanced diet. These include sunflower, groundnut, mustard, sesame, seeds, etc. Food from animal. Food from animals and fish give extra energy, strengthen muscles and immune systems. These foods include all forms of meat, poultry, fish, eggs and dairy products such as milk, sour milk, buttermilk, curd and cheese. Now we are going to see healthy food. The healthy foods include all foods that provides essential nutrients to the body. It keeps our body fit and healthy. Healthy food is essential for proper growth and maintenance of our body. Junk food. Junk food contains extra calories. These are unhealthy and difficult to digest. These foods are very tasty but contain very less nutrients. These include samosa, finger chips, burger, pizza, chips, etc. Energy giving foods. The foods which provide protection and provide energy to our body are called energy giving foods. Rice, potatoes, sweets, sugar, all these things are called energy giving foods. Bodybuilding foods. The bodybuilding foods helps to build muscle and it emphasizes foods high in protein and complex carbohydrates. Grain, eggs, pulses, meat, peas, milk, etc. Protective foods. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals are referred to as protective foods as they provide immunity and protect our body from various diseases. Fruits and vegetables. To stay healthy and strong, we should eat balanced meals. This means that we should eat food from different groups: fruits and vegetables, bread and other cereals, and potatoes, milk and the dry foods, fatty and sugar foods, meat, fish, and alternatives. Hope you enjoyed and learned today the new things. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification on the new videos immediately. Thank you.